Welcome to my channel. Thanks for your time. Thanks for clicking. Thank you so much. This channel is where quality is attainable. I'm at Burlington. Today I will be showing you clothing pieces in the store, new in the store. Yes. So if you go to any Burlington near you, you are likely to lay your hands on some of the pieces I will be showing you today. And today I will be showing you gifts in the store because they are bringing out good gifts already in the store. If you are all about that, keep watching, don't go away. Look at this sweater. Isn't this giving? The color, the quality. This is by CK. This was $79.50. Today you get for $24.99. It's available in all sizes. Here we are looking at this one by DKNY. This was $79 and today you get for $24.99. I'm just seeing size medium and small. I don't know if it's available in other sizes elsewhere. Here I am looking at this. Look at this combo for $19.99 in size large. Okay, so let me take you to the front. Here I am looking at this coat. This is giving everything it should give. Interesting coats. And this one is $59.99. Who made this? This is by Guess, and this was $180. Today you get for $59.99. Yeah, it's available in different sizes. And here we have another sleeveless jacket for $34.99 by who made this one? Guess as well. And here is, oh, they came through. They are not playing today. Look what I'm saying. Look what we are seeing today. Ooh, this is interesting by Guess. The quality is top notch. Right? Yes. We are not. This works really good, and the inside is nicely padded. And this one, but at the back, okay, you can never go wrong with this one. You got yourself covered next season with this one. Sorry, this one is $39.99. And here, yeah, they came through, really. They came through. They came through $39.99 as well. And here, let's see who made this one still. This is still Guess. Okay. Look what we are seeing here. With two deep front pocket, and this is actually functional as well. Very good. Well made. Nicely done. And this one, the value is not on this. They should always do, please. We need to know when we are, getting perfect deals. This is $49.99. Interesting. Okay. So let's keep going. Here we have this sweater, nicely beaded. Isn't this giving what it should give? This is giving everything it should give for $19.99 in size large. And behind is this button-down long sleeve shirt. This was $68. Today you get for $14.99 by this brand. Okay, I'm seeing interesting sweaters, interesting color combo here. It can only be Tommy. Yeah. And this was $79.50. And you get this for $24.99 in the store today. Very new in the store. And here we have this blouse. This would be, office friendly. Yes, this is something you can easily rock during summer, bro. Yeah, this season, wear it inside, throw on blazer, good coats, you're covered, okay? And this is by CK. This was $59. Today you get for $19.99. It's available in almost all sizes. I'm seeing small, medium, large, extra large. Yeah, here we have this one by Karl Lagerfeld. Let me show you this clearly. Look what we are seeing here. Karl Lagerfeld. Don't play with this brand. They are always, oh my God, they make good pieces. This was $99. Today you get it for $34.99. It's available in other sizes. This one is extra small. I can see it in size medium, size large, extra large. Okay? And here is another sweater. No, this is two-piece set. I saw this the last time. Okay, and it's still available in the store. And they are priced together for $29.99. Here we are seeing this turtleneck by CK. Look, this is so cool. And this was $79.50. Today you get for $24.99. It's available in medium, small, large, extra large. And here is another sweater with, gold studs on the shoulder down to the sleeves. And here we have this one in the store for $24.99 by CK. Available in size small, medium, large, extra large. Here we have this one perfect for, upcoming season. And this one was $88. And today we get this one for $24.99. Available in size small, medium, extra small, large, extra large. Here is this open blazer. No buttons. This is nicely. This will cinch your waist kind of. It went in here. I like this. This will give you a perfect fit. The inside is nicely lined. Right? Yeah, look at this. This was $159. Today you get for $59. Okay. Here is more crop jackets. I'm loving the color with two side pockets. And this one, store price on this. Let's grab. Yeah, no store price. And behind is this one by. I'm loving the color. Look. Yeah, I love the shade of gold. Okay, look. Interesting shade for $59.99. And this was $180. For $59.99, you can never go wrong. And this made it to the top. This color made it to the top this season. Let's show you. Look at this for $59.99 by CK. They are not playing. So good. Okay. More coats. This is by CK. Oh, see what I'm seeing here. Isn't this giving? This is giving everything it should give. Look. Look. This is giving. Yeah, the quality is so good. I'll come back to this. I want something like this. This is in size extra small. I just want to pick store price. I did not see it store price on that one. Let's see, I got something like this the last time I was in the store. This is $29.99. Yeah, looks and feels good. I love the fact that it's not clean white. I love this color. Okay, I love this. Yeah, I love this. I'll come back to it. They have lots of, interesting for cropped high neck jacket. This is $16.99. As I promised, there are lots of gifts in the store today. Okay, see this set, Dealer's Foot Care Collection. Okay, and this one is $14.99. Yeah, interesting. And here, more gifts. This is Steve Madden gift set. Here you get sachet with stripes and hats, coin, purse, keychain. Alright, look at that. And here we have this juicy culture for $29.99. Yep. Here is another one, juicy culture. This one is by Madden Go. 2-piece set, mini bag, pack, and wallet. This was $58, and today you get for $27.99. Here we have more 3-piece cross body and hat pouch. All right, and up here is more by Gucci. No, this one is by Juicy Culture. All right, so let me take you in. More gifts. All right, here we have this one. This is good body mist. Okay, it's so heavy, $12.99. And here we have this, and we have this Calvin Klein. Oh, so cool. I would have loved this. This is $39.99. This will make a perfect gift. I have someone in mind. Looking at this, I know who I want to give this to. I'll come back to this. I like it. Okay, and here we have this one, $19.99. Okay. All right, more of this CK here. I wish I can see what is inside. You can't open it. Look at this one by Paris Hilton. This is $19.99. By, let's say, next month, the gifts will even be better. Yes, I will show you. Yeah, I always love to grab more gifts next month. Okay, and I'll tell you why. Yeah, next month is, my favorite month for grabbing gifts. $19.99. Okay, yeah. All right. More gifts. This one is by Guess. And yeah, the price is not on this one. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see here. We have different types of wallets, interesting wallets. We have this one by Steve Madden for $16.99. Anna Klein for $12.99. Guess for $24.99. Why is it? Oh, okay. There is card slot here and wallet. That's why it's $24.99. Not bad. And here we have this one by Tommy. Okay. This is by Tommy. Okay. And this one was $68. Today you get for $17.99. Nicely made. And here we have this by Nyways for $14.99. All right, if you like my type of video, please share. That's all you can do for me. Let's move this channel forward. Yeah, thank you so much for your time and support, and until next time, bye for now.